Thank you for joining me in this video. In this video, we have radicals and surds. The question is 9 root 6 plus square root of 24 plus 2 root 50 minus 3 root 18. Now we have solution. All right. Now what do? We have to simplify these radicals. All right. Now from the first one, from the first step, we have 9. There's no need for us to break the radicand, 6, all right? If we want to break it, we could break it into two factors like 2 and 3, but there's no need in this case, okay? So we move to the next one, all right? Now we have plus the root of 24. Let us break 24 into two factors of 4 and 6, right? 4 times 6, okay? That gives us 24. And again, we have plus 2 square root of 50. 50 has two factors, which is 25. You get me? 25 times 2. All right. These are the two factors of 50. Okay. So we have the last one, which is minus 3 square root of 18. 18 has two factors, which is what? 9 and 2. Okay. There are other factors of 18 anyway, but we want to use 9 and 2. You get me? So that's just it. Now, what do? We have again 9 square root of 6, okay? 9 square root of 6, then plus, then I apply the radical law, which is square root of, I will now have root 4, okay? To be multiplying the root of 6, all right? To be multiplying root 6, okay? And again, I have plus 2 square root of 25, okay? Square root of 25, all right, times square root of 2, okay? And again, I have minus 3 square root of 9, square root of 9 times square root of 2, okay? Times root 2. Do you get me? Now I have the root of 9 root 6 plus the root 4 is 2. When I take root 4, I have 2. Because 2 times 2 is 4. So the square root of 4 is 2. So I now have 2 times root 6. Alright. Then again I have plus 2 times the square root of 25 is 5. Alright, because 5 times 5 is 25. I have plus 2 times 5 because the square root of 25 is now 5. And again I have times root 2, all right? Then I have minus 3. The square root of 9 is 3. So 8, it now becomes minus 3 times 3. You get me? Then root 2, okay? Then what do I do again? I still have 9 the square root of 6, all right? 9 root 6, then plus 2 root 6, plus 2 root 6, okay? Then 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10, so I have plus 10, okay? Then root 2, all right? Then I have minus 3 times 3 is minus 9. So I have minus 9 at this point, minus 9 root 2, okay? Now, what do? We have to factor out root 6, okay? From the first two terms, okay? The root 6 are the common factors there. So now, let us factor out root 6, all right? So doing that, I have root 6 cancel 9 root 6, I'll be left with 9, okay? Root 6 cancel plus 2 root 6, I'll be left with 2. I close my bracket, Then I have plus, then root 2, from the last two terms, okay? Root 2 are the common factor there. So let me factor out root 2, all right? So now doing that, I have root 2 of, root 2 cancel 20, this is 10, okay? And not 20, it is 10, okay? It is 10 and not 20 because 2 times 5 is 10. So now root 2 plus root 2 cancel 10 root 2, I'll be left with 10, all right? Minus plus root 2 cancel minus 9 root 2, I'll be left with minus 9, okay? Then I close my bracket. Now what do? I have root 6 bracket. 9 plus 2 is 11. I have 11. I close my bracket, okay? Then plus root 2. All right? 10 minus 9 is 1, okay? I close the bracket, okay? Which is now equal to, when I use 11 to multiply root 6, I'll be left with 11 root 6, all right? Then finally, plus 1 times root 2 is simply root 2. Thank you for watching.